Okay, so today in math, we continued talking about fractions and exploring them a little bit more. Our essential questions that we talked about were what represents the denominator in a set and what represents the numerator in a set. So, for example, I have a candy jar, and jar number 1 contains 24 pieces of Twizzlers. How many Twizzlers will you get if you can have 1/4 of them? So if we look at the fraction 1/4, the 4 on the bottom, our denominator, tells us how many make up one whole. So 4 different groups are going to make up our total of 24 Twizzlers. So I'm going to start modeling this by making 4 groups for my 24 Twizzlers. And then I am going to evenly disperse my 24 amongst the 4 groups. So I'm going to do that just by adding a tick mark into each of the groups until I get to 24. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I have 4 groups that have an equal amount of Twizzlers in it, and I know by looking at my fraction up here that I get 1 out of those 4 groups. So I am going to get 1 of these groups, so I am getting a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Twizzlers. So if I was going to write a number sentence that represents what we just did up here, I started with 24. And I divided that amongst 4 equal groups. And in each group were 6 Twizzlers. So the denominator represents how many parts make up the whole of something, the 24 total, and then our numerator represents our share, or what we get. So we got 1/4 of the jar, which would be 6 Twizzlers. Good luck on your worksheet, and I hope you get to feeling better. We missed you in school today, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good night.